Dear students, in previous class we have discussed the various terms which are related with the prism, and I have told you what is angle I, angle E, angle A and angle D. We will prove today how angle I plus E is equal to A plus D. We can make a diagram here. Suppose this is the prism principal section of the prism. You know this angle of prism, angle A, B and C. A ray of light, suppose this is the ray of light which is falling on the prism and it gets refracted here. When it gets refracted here, we draw here a normal. Angle I is normal. Okay. Suppose this is angle R1. This ray out emerges out here. We draw here again a normal. This is R2, suppose R2. Let's name this angle 3. And I produce this in the backward direction. They will meet here. This is angle D. Suppose this angle 1, this angle 2. We have to prove angle I plus E. This is angle of emergence. This it emerges out ray of light. Angle is equal to A plus D. We have to prove this. We know this is the instant ray of light falling. Suppose this, we can name this instant ray P. Suppose here it is Q, A, B, C. Suppose here it is L. Here it is R. It is F here. Yeah. Okay. We have to take simple. When we have to proceed, we have to take the principal section of the prism ABC, in which angle of prism is a ray of light PQ is instant on the face AB, or it gets refracted along QR and inside the prism, and after refraction at R it emerges along. Draw these NL and N-L perpendiculars. NL perpendicular on AB and L dash perpendicular on AC. Here angle I is the angle of incidence, it is angle of refraction. It is here, this angle 2 is the angle of emergence, this angle of refraction, this R2. We are producing this PQ and RF. We are producing PQ and SR are producing. They are meeting at F. This angle is the angle of deviation. This angle is the angle of deviation. Now we have to prove angle I plus angle E is equal to angle A plus angle O. If you look towards the figure, angle I is equal to, if you look towards the figure, angle I, it is vertically opposite angle, but here this angle is made up of two angles, angle 1 plus angle R1. That means angle I is equal to angle 1 plus angle R1. If you look towards the figure, this is the ray, this is the ray. This angle is equal to this whole angle, but it's made up of two angles. Angle 1 plus this angle is angle 1, this R1. Similarly, angle E is equal to angle 2 plus R2. Angle 2 plus angle R2. We can say vertically opposite angles. If you have to first off write, you have to simply write, let we take a principal section of the prism ABC, and A angle is the angle of prism, area of light PQ. PQ is instant on the face AB, it gets refracted along QR and emerges along RS. Here we draw normals, and NL normal and AB, and as NL dash normal and AC. This is angle I, this is R1, angle E, and this is angle of emergence. Here, if we look towards the figure, these are vertically opposed, and this angle and this angle, these are vertically opposite angles. But if you look towards my requirement, I have to angle I plus angle E. That means I have to add these two. Adding, I can name this first or second. Adding first and second. Because why I am adding, my requirement is angle I plus angle E. That means angle I plus angle E is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle R1 plus angle R2. Angle R1 plus angle R2. ठीक है? Name this equation third. If I look towards triangle, this FQR, it is just like this. If you FQR, it is angle 1 here, it is angle 2 here, it is angle D here. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. If you remember, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That means here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle D. Angle 1 plus angle 2 D के बराबर. Now I am, मेरा ये सिर्फ यहाँ का है एंगल R और R2 मुझे A के बराबर आना चाहिए. Then I have proved, because I will substitute these. Suppose name this equation 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 D के बराबर आ गया. यहाँ मुझे R1 और R2 किसके बराबर आना है? A के, because I have to prove angle I plus angle E is equal to A plus angle D. If I look towards the quadrilateral, in quadrilateral, AQLR, this is perpendicular. That means angle AQL is 90 degree, because this is normal here. This normal angle AQL is equal to ARL is equal to 90. Both equal to 90. This plus this is equal to 90. That means, yeah, or we can write AQL plus ARL is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 90. In quadrilateral equation, because these are perpendiculars here. When these are perpendiculars, this is 90 degree. This whole angle. Therefore angle AQL plus angle LRA is equal to 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90. That is equal to 180 degree. Now, therefore, but we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360. Therefore, angle A plus angle 3 is equal to also 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle 3 is also equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle 3 is also equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle 3 is equal to also 180 degree. Name this equation 5. This angle plus this angle is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. But therefore this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360. इसका 180 है, इन दो का ऐड भी 180. If you look towards the figure, angle A plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. But in triangle इसके बराबर QLR, in triangle QLR, R1 plus R2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Name this 6. If we compare 5 with 6, R plus R2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. इसका ये मतलब हो गया एंगल A किसके बराबर हो गया? R1 plus. Therefore angle A is equal to R1 plus R2. Name this equation 6. मैं फिर आपको ये बताऊं, in a quadrilateral sum of angles is equal to 360, but we know this is perpendicular. This angle plus this angle is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore this plus this is equal to 180, because sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360. But in triangle, this R1 plus R2 is plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. And I compare this and this, angle A plus angle 3 is equal to 100 degree, angle R plus R2 plus angle 3 is equal to 100. Therefore, angle A is equal to R1 plus R2. Now, substituting the value of 4 and 6 in equation third. Substituting 4 and 6 in equation third. Equation third क्या है? Angle I plus angle E is equal to 4 क्या? 1 plus 2 is equal to D. That means 1 plus 2 is D plus R1 plus R2 angle A. Therefore, we have derived the important relation angle of incidence plus angle of emgerence is equal to angle of deviation plus angle of prism. Therefore, this is an important angle I plus angle E is equal to angle A plus angle D. Hope we have got it. Inshallah, we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.